Had the brake pads been worn out, on either side of the brake caliper is a piston that applies pressure on the brake pads to create your braking. These pistons have got to be gently eased back. With a screwdriver or a short bar. Because there's two and they are also linked, as one goes back, it's possible that the one on the opposite side may also start to protrude out of the brake caliper. Sorry. With the top and bottom brake caliper fixing bolts removed, the brake caliper can be gently moved away from the brake disc. Being careful to make sure that the metal fixed brake pipe isn't being bent out of position. At this point, a piece of wire or a cable tie can be passed through the brake caliper and attached to another part of the suspension, residue, grease and oil out of the front. We've now got to turn it over onto its front. Unfortunately we can't angle it this time because we need to get access to the seal in the back of the hub. Take a screwdriver or lever bar and lever down on the seal. These can sometimes be a bit tight. You might have to put some of your weight on it, but if you work around the seal, to loosen it up and remove the seal. That exposes the rear bearing. With the hub assembly fitted to the new stub axle, I can now fill the front section of the outer bearing race with some grease. The muckiest part of the day. And try and force it in there. Packed out. I'm just going to grab my socket now. All that oil and grease from earlier. Again, rolling up hand tight. Until the brake pads contact the brake disc. And that's our wheel bearing installation completed. I'm glad that's done.